Wait.
What happened?
What's going on with this now? It doesn't look, it looks crooked.
Oh, this finger right here? No, you know what?
No, the nail. The nail itself, it's crooked.
No, the nail's not crooked. It's actually your finger.
Oh, no. There's nothing wrong with my fingers. You've done it to where my nail is crooked.
Hold it right here. Look. If you look at your finger, they're not straight. Your finger's literally like...
I think you need glasses.
No, it's
because this is like a funhouse mirror to you. My finger is straight. Your nail is crooked.
It's not. Your finger do like that. I mean,
Okay, well, I think you should take at least $5 off every finger that looks crooked.
Well, look, like these fingers are pretty straight, but this particular middle finger, I don't know, like, did you flip anybody off when you were younger or something? Because this one was like really shift to the side. I mean, look, I'm putting my file here, and you see this little gap? That's your finger. That's not the nails.
A lot of people like to have gaps in between their fingers, so I don't know what your problem is. That has nothing to do with my crooked ass nail.
Well, you're really being in denial right now because the nail is straight. It's your finger that... I mean, I can't really change that. I mean...
We'll see what it looks like in the end.
Okay, but... Okay, well... Yeah.
We'll see what it looks like in the end.
It looks like it's your finger, bitch.
Yeah.